What's the meaning of book? Book. Book.
Book. Book. The word book can be characterized as a bound collection of written pages or sheets of paper, typically containing a story, information, or a record of events. Books can be bound with hardcovers or softcovers, and they may also include illustrations, diagrams, or photographs. They are often used for educational, entertainment, or informational purposes and can cover a wide range of topics, including fiction, nonfiction, biographies, textbooks, and more. In short, a book is a physical or electronic medium that contains written words and is intended to convey information or tell a story.